Hello, I'm Terry with the Computer Workshop. Today we have a snippet of our Storytelling with Data class. I hope you enjoy.
In order to play this game, you have to be able to see two things. You have to be able to see my screen share, because that's where the questions and the answers are going to be. But then you have to see where you logged in, because that's your buzzer. That's how you're going to respond. When a question appears, I will be sure to read it aloud, and then the answers will appear below it. I will also try to read those, just to help you along. But you try to answer the correct with the correct answer as quickly as possible in order to get maximum points. When writing your story, who wants you to consider yourself and your teammate, your audience, or your message? Click the correct symbol as quickly as possible so that you can earn maximum points. Yes! Oh, I love it. I love it. Yes, you and your audience are whom we consider when it comes to who. I could have also said the main character of your story, but I did not offer you that as a choice. The big idea has three components. Which one is not on the list? Your unique point of view. What is at stake? Be a complete sentence. Who you represent. You have a whole minute to respond, but faster is more points. Here we go. Oh, snap. What a divisive entry. The first three were the 3 points of the big idea. Number one was your unique point of view. Number two was what is at stake. Number three was be a complete sentence. The one that was not specifically listed on the list was who you represent. We can assume that's implied, but that was not directly cited on the list. True or false, explanatory analysis provides the audience an in-depth explanation of all the data you reviewed. See, the false people will be able to tell you how I got you. It was my very first word. Exploratory analysis provides the audience an in-depth explanation of all the data you reviewed. Explanatory analysis simply tells the summation of the pearls that you found. What do we call the mental effort needed to acquire, store, and use information? Analysis, cognitive load, or mental acumen. Yes, we call it cognitive load. We know that it's broken into three parts, but the real thing I needed you to remember was you do have a time limit. You only have so much space before they're like, I'm sorry, the RAM's full. True or false? The main idea of removing clutter is to delete unnecessary elements from your graph. What did Jeffrey say a dozen times yesterday? I pleaded, I begged, I cajoled, I bribed. What did I say? You're all. Oh. I said transformation. The point of removing the clutter does involve a delete button sometimes. That is true. But the true essence are the Gestalt principles. What are those? That is not the deletion of elements. It is the reorganization of elements so that they are easier to understand. Please, please, please sign in so that you can get all the credit for being here today. Make sure that we can get you your certification for joining me. Thank you so much for participating in that review. It looks like we have a pretty solid understanding of what we've already seen. So it's time to acquire some new information. That was good. That was so good.
We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on storytelling with data, please visit tcworkshop.com or make a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you back here next time.